Hi guys, Alex Underwood here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this kind of colorful, bold liner look for you. The color was inspired by this new purse that I got, actually. It has like bright blues and some pinks in it, so I was like, you know what? Let's just throw a little color on here. Because, you know, life is boring without color. And color's great. So I thought, let's put it on my face. But if you guys want to know how I did this video, go ahead and stay tuned.
To start off, I'm going to be prepping my lids and my eyebrow with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Next, I'm going in and priming my face with the Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer. This is one of my favorite primers. I'm going to set my eyes with some concealer, and then I'm going to blend that concealer out and set it with the white shade Extra Creamy from the Too Faced Peanut Butter Palette, and that's just to get my eyes started for the rest of the color we're going to be putting on them. Apply some tape since I'm going to be doing some bold liner today. I suggest following the line of the bottom lash line. That is going to give you a very natural, well, I mean, as natural as bold liner can get, but it's gonna go along with your eye shape very well if you do follow the bottom line. I find that with my hooded eyes, this helps me a lot with my liner, so I would highly suggest trying this trick. First, I'm going in with shade Georgia from the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. Of course, this is my favorite transition shade. Next, I will be going in with shade Dominatrix from the Jefree Androgyny palette, and this is just a simple smoky eye. This is nothing too extreme. I just wanted to add a little bit of dimension on the top of my eye since I was going to be doing such a bold liner look and such a bold under eye. Next, you can see I'm going in with shade Vermeer, I believe I'm pronouncing that right, from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just patting that all over my lid. Next, I'm going in with the Tarte Clay Pot eyeliner in black, and I'm just using an angled brush to apply this. Then I'm also going in with my Kat Von D tattoo liner, and I am just using that to outline the rest of my eye and drag it into the inner corner. I use the Tarte to do the wing because I find it makes it more of a stark line, but if you need it to sharpen up any more, you can use the Kat Von D liner to do so. Then we're going to whip off that tape and reveal the most sharp, crisp winged liner you've ever seen in your life. Next, I'm going in all over my face with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 25 Medium. I'm currently obsessed with this concealer just because it shows my freckles, and I like showing my freckles when I have them. I will be doing a full face foundation routine soon, though, which includes my very favorite foundation. You'll just have to wait and see what that is. I'm going to be bouncing that in with a damp beauty blender all over my face. Remember, bounce the beauty blender, do not wipe, because that is going to set the color where you want it rather than dragging it across the face. concealer in shade NW15, and I'm just placing that on the highlights of my face and then bouncing that out with a beauty blender, ensuring that I keep it in the place that I put it and not dragging it too far away. All of my highlighted areas with the RCMA No Color powder, and then setting the rest of the face with the very same powder and wiping off any excess with a fluffy brush. Ciate Bamboo Bronzer, and I'm just contouring my face with that, and then I'm going in with my Hoola bronzer and deepening that contour a little bit more just so it's very dark. I wanted to cut my cheeks this day. And then I'm just blending those together with an e.l.f. blending brush. Next, I'm going in with shade Eclipse from the Jefree Star Highlighting Collection, and I am just putting this on all the highlights of my face, and this is just to add a little bit of glow to the look because, you know, I really love to glow just like he does. So I went ahead and went in with the shade Gonzo from the Urban Decay Electric palette, and this matched the blue from the purse I was going off of pretty well, and then of course blend that out to it so it's not too stark of a line. I went ahead and dragged some of the color just a little bit under the liner as well. Line with my ColourPop black liner. As you can see, I already popped on lashes and mascara off camera. That is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara and my double stacked Ardell Wispies. And here you can see I'm going in with shade Lovecraft from the Kat Von D Liquid Lip Collection. And I'm of course overdrawing my lips. Then setting my entire face with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and being extra boozy with the fan.
Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you love it so much and enjoyed my video as much as I enjoyed recording it for you. All of you guys have been so welcoming to the YouTube community, and I'm just very happy that I finally got my channel started and that I have some awesome supporters already here with me, hanging out, being my friends. I love it. Anyway, if you guys want to hang out with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can go ahead and follow me on Snapchat at Alex_Underwood, on Twitter and Instagram at Alex with 2 X's 2017. Like I say in every video, don't forget the second X. And you guys can also check me out on my website, which will always be linked down below. If you guys ever have any other ideas of videos I can do besides makeup ones, like get to know me, get ready with me, meet my roommate. My roommate's fire, by the way. You guys haven't even met her yet, and she's amazing. I love her. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you can get notifications for when I upload, and I cannot wait to see you guys on the next one. Bye! 5 breaths here. Bye.